Around the globe, power generation is being reinvented. Grid stability achieved by regional supply of power and backing up renewable energy sources such as wind and solar is the challenge. With its largest and most powerful gas engine, INEO has an innovative, reliable solution: the Jenbacher J920 FleXtra. With over 90 years of experience in power generation at or near the point of use, Jenbacher have designed a modular concept for a large gas engine. An outstanding 48.7% electrical efficiency with 10 megawatt power output allows the J920 FleXtra to serve up to 20,000 households with electricity. If needed, also heat. In the German city of Kiel, the J920 FleXtra makes the energy transition a reality. The municipal utility runs 20 engines in a flexible plant with a total efficiency of 92%. With less emissions than the coal plant it replaced, the Kiel project is a landmark in moving towards a greener Europe. Our innovative MyPlant software solution allows remote monitoring. Together with our certified Jenbacher service providers, we support our customers on-site with simplicity and speed. No matter if the J920 FleXtra is used at high altitudes in the mountains or in hot regions, the two-stage turbocharger concept delivers consistent power output. Separate units for the generator, engine, and turbocharger simplify the installation of engines for modular concepts in large plants. This compact plant design enables significantly lower investment costs for customers. Along with the outstanding overall performance of this large engine, one thing is clear: the future of energy starts with the Jenbacher J920 FleXtra. INEO. Energy solutions. Everywhere, every time.